Sunday. President Droupadi Murmu on Saturday said that the Gaganyaan and Aditya L1 missions not only boost India's standard in the space sector, but both the missions will also help humanity at large. Addressing the inaugural session of a two-day international Conference-Cum-Exhibition on Aerospace and Aviation in 2047 in New Delhi, President Murmu said that the aerospace sector has been undergoing a transformative phase by bracing up for independent technologies for defense and transportation purposes. She added that there is also a demanding task of cultivating human resources in the aerospace sector to tackle these issues in the future.
Whether it is the fate of successful completion of the Mars mission or showcasing the end-to-end capability in safe landing and roving near the moon's south pole, a place considered beyond human endeavor, India has proved that it has the willpower, potential and capacity to accomplish what it sets out to achieve.